FIFA World Cup is happening right now, and football-related content is trending everywhere around the world. But there's a big challenge. If you use official match footage, highlights, or copyrighted content, you could run into legal issues. So, how can you create FIFA World Cup-inspired content and still have a chance to go viral? The answer is AI. MagicLight AI's new World Cup Remix Studio allows you to create copyright-free World Cup-style content that can help you ride the trend without using official footage. So, if you want to take advantage of this trend, hit the like button and watch this video until the end. So, what is MagicLight AI? This is a content machine for content creators. You can create up to 60-minute-long videos in more than 50 visual styles and 10,000 plus character assets. Alright, so this is the MagicLight dashboard. There's a lot going on here. You will find story to video, kids story video, interview video, and more. However, today, I want you to ignore most of it for now and head straight to the thing we care about today, the World Cup Remix Studio. This feature is built specifically for football content, and that's what makes it so powerful. Instead of starting from a blank page, you've got ready-made templates for the exact kind of videos that go viral right now. Match explainers, team introductions, fan reactions, and post-match interviews. Okay, now you can select any templates from here and create the video, or you can start from scratch. Let's say I want to create an interview video with Messi after his first ever World Cup hat trick. I am selecting this template and then clicking on Use Template. Now here you can see the prompt or script. We just have to click on Run Script from here. You can notice that the prompt has been added to the prompt box. Now we have to customize the prompt. You can add the context and player to create your own video. I am entering the hat trick related content. Keep it simple but engaging. Once the script is ready, come to the settings. First of all, select the visual style. You will find 40 plus visual styles here. You just have to select which one you want to use. I will go with the realistic style. After that, set the aspect ratio. And in the end, we have to set the video duration. You can create a video over 50 minutes long with MagicLight. For this one, I will set it to auto. Once everything is set, hit the next button. Now we have to confirm all the settings. So, preview them, and if anything is wrong, fix it, and then click here to move ahead. Now MagicLight will write the script for me. And here it is, the script is ready. Look at the script. This is really amazing. It's perfect for an interview video. However, if you find any issues, you can go back to regenerate the script. Okay, I will click the next button from here. On the next page, we have to set the character. The MagicLight creates two characters for us. The first one is Messi, and the second one is the interviewer. I will change the interviewer character. So, I am clicking here. You will find a vast number of pre-built characters here. You can select one from here. If you want to create a new one, click on the Create option. Now, set the name and customize the prompt. Once done, hit the Generate button. The AI will generate the character image for you. Once the images are ready, select the best one. Okay, the character is set. I will select this character. Now, if your video needs more characters, you can add them from here. However, I won't add any character now. So, I click on Next. Okay, this is the actual production page. The AI will create our video now. You can see that the MagicLight AI creates 8 scenes for us, and now it's generating content for every scene. And here it is, the images are ready, and you can see the result. All of these are perfect for an interview scenario. The characters and scenes are consistent. I really love this. Now, if you find anything wrong, you can always edit the images, or even create new images. Just select the image you want to customize or regenerate and customize it. Once all the images are ready, we have to turn them into video clips. Let's start with the first scene, and then come to the right side panel. Here, you will find the Animate option. Click here. You will find all the information about the video. You can edit them if you want. Now, click here to generate the video. And here it is, the video is ready.
How do you feel about the team's performance today?
We played well as a unit, but we know we can't be satisfied yet.
This is really a perfect start for an interview. Now let's create the second scene. Creating a video scene by scene is boring and time-consuming. So this time, I will go with Animate All. Select all the scenes, and then hit the Generate button. And here it is, all the video clips are ready. Now you can preview them, and if you find any issue, you can fix them. Once you are satisfied, click on the Next button from here. On the next step, we have to set the subtitle and BGM. I won't use any subtitle. In the BGM section, you will find a bunch of options. Listen to them and then select the perfect one. Now, once you hit the next button, you have to select the aspect ratio and the video resolution. Okay, now MagicLight AI will render the final video. And here it is, the video is ready. Let's have a look at it.
How do you feel about the team's performance today?
We played well as a unit, but we know we can't be satisfied yet. Every game is a final for us. We have to give everything we have.
How are you feeling ahead of this important match?
Nervous, of course, but we're ready.
So can you share your thoughts on the game?
Every match is a new challenge. The team played well, and I'm proud of that.
So what are your thoughts ahead of the final?
It's a dream come true for all of us. We know the challenge, but we're ready.
So after the victory, what's the key to this team success?
Simple, really. We play for each other.
This is really amazing. Now you can download the video or publish it on YouTube directly. You can bind your YouTube channel to MagicLight AI and publish the video directly. Channel management features to help creators grow and operate their accounts more efficiently. So now we can create an amazing interview video using MagicLight AI. Not only that, you can also create explainer or storytelling videos. Let's say, I want to create a video on Neymar Jr. I am entering the prompt, set the settings, and then click here. In the next page, we have the script. After that, the character. Once done, it will create the storyboard and images. Once the images are ready, we will turn them into video and create the final video. And here it is. The video is ready.
The vibrant, sun-drenched streets of Brazil. A young boy emerged with a ball at his feet and a dream in his heart. Neymar Jr. began his journey in Mogi das Cruzes, where he first refined the dazzling ball control that would soon captivate the entire world. Even as a child, his ability to navigate tight spaces with grace hinted at the global superstar.
So, now we create any kind of content related to the World Cup. Alright, now for the part I promised would blow your mind. Let's talk money. Most people think you only make money on these platforms by getting views. But MagicLight has this whole other system. The Asset Creation Center. Here's how it works. You don't just make videos. You can create assets, characters, custom styles, special effects, and publish them for the whole community to use. And every time another creator uses your asset in their video, you get paid. Look at this leaderboard. Some creators are earning up to $4,000 in a single month, just from assets they designed once. That's passive income. And the timing on all this could not be better, because right now MagicLight is running the World Cup Creation Challenge. You can win real prizes here. There's a $200 cash prize, ultra memberships, and thousands of free credits up for grabs. And joining is simple. 1. Create a football video using MagicLight. 2. Design a character that represents your country or region. And 3. Share it on social media with the hashtag #MagicLight. That's it. You're in. So here's what I want you to do. If you're ready to start your own faceless football channel, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments below. And here's a little bonus. If you sign up for the Ultra or Ultimate annual plan, you'll get 2 weeks of free premium model access. So you can test out all the best models without spending extra. The World Cup only comes around once every 4 years. This is your window. So go jump into the Remix Studio, create something awesome, and maybe I'll see your video win that storytelling award. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.